What is up, guys? Backyard Family Builds here with another video. We are here with the BMW 328i 2014, and the vehicle was involved in a collision, and I am going to go over with you guys what to do to get your vehicle back down on the road, at least starting to at least move it to the side of the road, anything. Babe, I don't need you to do that. Sorry about that, guys. Okay, so in this video, this is gonna be a culprit here. Okay, now many pull off this little tray box thinking that the issue is here, when in the reality the issue is here, right there. This is the now. Let me zoom you out. When you're looking at it on yours, this is going to be on there, okay? This is the cover, okay? And so if you see in here, you see a little black from the explosion, from the airbags, and it cutting the power, okay? So you take a flathead and just pry it off. Just take a flathead, pry it off. Don't worry about it, it's gonna come off, okay? So then you take your pliers, boom, here, and this is going to be separated. You're going to put this back in the hole, and you're going to push this in. You're going to, with the pliers, boom. Once you have it pushed in, and you can then reapply your cable. So let me put them back on with one hand. Sorry, guys. Okay. So, like so. And then 1 second, guys. Let me see the key. Oh. Okay. And we have, you're gonna have power. Turned off because I've been working on it. It's been in a collision. You're able to move it. So there you go, guys. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.